Since we need a lot of dirt, load it onto Max.
Bonk.
Bà ơi! Ơi!
Now, shall we safely move the dirt to the construction site?
Yeah, boy.
Good job! Building is nearly complete. I need more dirt. Push the dirt and load it onto Max.
Yeah, boy.
Shall we safely move the dirt to the construction site?
哎呦我的妈！
Good job! The building is nearly complete.
I brought some soil for the construction. Me
Bonk.
Now, could you push the soil?
Yeah, boy.
哎呦我的妈！
The building is complete. Now, let's try to with the awesome build us brought.